Hey guys, welcome back to your girl's channel. It is your girl Giselle, or you can call me Zelle for short, whatever your preference is, girl. So today I have another hair review video for you guys, and this is in collaboration with none other than Luvme Hair. So I'm very excited to be making this video. This hair is super dope and super awesome. So if you want to get the details regarding this hair, just stay tuned. So this wig is of course by no other than Luvme Hair, and this is their glueless high density breathable lace closure wig, and the length 20 inches. Okay, so this is the hair. Let me kind of get up a little bit for you guys. So I am 5'3", and so the hair is past my boobs. So yeah, for one, I want to go ahead and say this hair is so freaking bomb. It is so nice. The texture is really beautiful. The length is like perfect for you, girl, because you know I'm 5'3" or whatever. And then also like the way just it looks, like the density of it, it's just a really good amount of density, not too thick, not too thin. So yeah, and then also I have in clip-ins. So they sent me some clip-ins as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys where the wig is. So this is where the wig is on their website. So this is the wig. Different views of the hair. So yeah, this is the wig, and I absolutely love it so far. Yeah, let's go ahead and move on to the clip-ins. So these are removable clip-ins, which I will show you guys right here. So literally they sent me 3 clip-ins. Isn't that cool? This is my first time wearing clip-ins, so bear with your girl, okay? So these are some highlight clip-ins. These are $29 for 10 inches, but I'm pretty sure this is like 18 inch or 16 inch. Yeah, I think 16. Let me check. So the clip-ins are 18 inches and the hair is 20 inches, okay? And so this is where their clip-ins are on the, oh, I got some hair on my face, hold on. So this is their clip-ins online, and there's different, yeah, so there's like 2 big pieces and then 1 big piece. The 1 big piece is actually in the bathroom, but I just applied the 2 pieces on the sides right here, just to kind of give the hair a little bit more, you know, boom, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this back in. Simply just grab some hair and clip that bad boy in, okay? See, like that, easy. And you just, it really blends really well with the hair. So that is really good. I really love that they have clip-in options, because you know you can spice your look up. Like you saw how I just took the clip-in out and you know it was black hair, and then now we have the clip-in in and we just got a little bit more of a spicy kind of look going on, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I definitely like the versatility. The hair, like I said, is bomb itself as always. Yeah, I've gotten so many compliments with this hair so far. Like this hair is really good. And I mean, like I said before in my previous videos, if you're not shopping from Luvme Hair, like where are you shopping at, sis? Also, my friend actually installed and she customized the wig for me, Jasmine Amore. So again, if you live in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, make sure you check out Enhanced by Jazz so you can get your custom wigs and also get your installs, and she sells bundles. So but yes, my friend customized this hair for me, and then again, this hair is from Luvme Hair. I love this hair so much. It curls really good. I literally just curled this hair and it looks so good. Like I use a wand curler and I just love how it kind of gives like a mermaid effect, and it looks really good. Like look at this, look at this. And it didn't even take me that long to do the hair. Like it holds a curl for real, okay? It really does hold a curl. This hair is super cute. All right, If you guys want to see me installing or getting more installs in my hair, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel so I can kind of be aware of what my following is wanting. But if you guys just want me to keep doing reviews like this, then I most definitely can do that for you. I will also be inserting some clips of me when I first got the hair installed. So this is like my second time wearing this wig. Sorry, I have Nolan right here. But after, you know, I got a good feel for the hair, I love the way the hair turned out, and you know, we're here making a video. So this hair is super awesome. Say hello. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will make sure to leave the links below. That way you guys can get your Love Me hair wig, and then also get your clip-in, sis. You know, change it up, switch it up. But alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much. Thank you for like, commenting, and subscribing. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
Bye, guys.